uncut. Rice with cheese been made original Thai green curry.
Okay.
This one salt. I don't know what English.
Coriander seeds.
Yeah, coriander seed, cumin,
Ground cumin seed.
Ground cumin.
cumin seed, and garlic, underground coriander. And this technique green color for big chili, not spicy, small green curry, younger spicy. Kalanga, black pepper, small onion, shallot,
Yeah,
pickled.
shallot, yeah.
And this
Kaffir lime,
coffee lime,
lemongrass.
lemongrass, กะหล่ำใช้เกลือลูกผักชีเมล็ดผักชีไม่ยี่ลากระเทียมรากผักชีพริกชี้ฟ้าเขียวผักชีหนอ
Brick.
พริกสีเขียวพริกข่าพริกไทยดำหอมแดงลูกผิวมะกรูดลูกมะกรูดตะไคร้ข่ากะปิ Put the first you have to make a fry for smell good this one
Yep.
and this one is small already I find it small and make it that but normally small seed now but I buy already it smell good
Yeah, it's not good.
this one little bit okay enough I think enough
Enough?
Coriander
Yeah,
seeds
all
and the cumin.
together, yes.
Yep.
Yeah. This one, you want just skin. It takes skin.
Just the skin.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh. This is green curry. You have somebody know you, but if somebody don't like, but love to eat this.
There's coriander seeds, cumin, fry it up, add the kaffir lime skin, and save the inside of the kaffir lime for another
It's
dish.
very high, man. Good hand.
Excellent. Thank you.
This Thai style kitchen, we short lady. Okay. Make like this.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, that's every house sometimes have to have this. You make them make. Now, kalangka.
The mango?
Yeah, same. Lemongrass. Okay, you make again. That's a hard work. It's a good color. Now, underground coriander.
Coriander?
Yeah, underground coriander we call.
Coriander root.
พริกไทยรากผักชีนี่มะม่วง Yes. Yes. I say you more time now. This one. ร้อนนะร้อนนะ Can make it all.
I've got a new appreciation for the water and pestle.
Curry. Let curry now. Okay, this you cut bigger. Oh, I cut for you smaller. They tell you. this one now. Somebody have machine.
Oh, and the blender.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep. I have been for nice color now. More green color.
This has blood, sweat, and tears in it.
In here.
Yep.
Cream paste. Yeah. A little salt. Okay. This all cream color. You make the same cream now. Maybe too small. I think enough.